This old guy DIY video has to do with removing some louvered doors and replacing the end to this lean-to with some steel purchased from Maynard's. So I dug a hole 4 feet deep, threw some Quickrete in there, put this 4x4 in the middle, and then I put a 2x8 across the top that's 12 feet long. I split the difference and I put that middle girt at 33 inches. They say 24 inches on center. This thing won't be bearing any load. It's just a vertical beauty wall, basically. So as I went to install this thing, I had limited time with my lovely assistant. So we put the first panel in, made sure it was level, and I just put 2 screws in. And then we did the same thing for the second panel and the third panel. And one design note, the wind comes from the west. So when installing these panels, you want to have this overlap facing, in my case, the west is the left. So we want it so if the wind is coming, it doesn't blow into this seam. So consider that when you're installing this stuff. I installed just enough screws to put 3 panels up. I installed a screw over here and tied a string to it. And then my lovely assistant held a level there. I went down to the other end. Now I have a nice straight line. I'll go in there and screw in the rest of those in that particular line. Then we'll do the same exercise on the top and the bottom. Well, it's May 10th, 2026, Mother's Day. The hot chick that lives here has 2 kids, so yes, she is a mother. And I told her I'd take care of this for her on Mother's Day. So she has a new end to the lean-to. She said it's satisfactory. She even said, "Good job, buddy." And she's going to make some kind of shrimp and scallops and seafood dish this evening. So I'll have a nice dinner as a reward. The panels cost $100 at Maynard's. I had the other wood laying around. This thing took me about 5 hours, working slow, 1 minute. It was an easy, straightforward job. And I agree with her that the end product certainly looks better than the louvered doors that were there before. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.